Mr. Seungwon Shin had a flight over mangrove forest, Nusa Lembongan, at June 18th, 2026. With DJI Air 3S, let's get started. Thanks for watching. I'm your Shinny.